Welcome to MB Tool Reviews. Today on the channel we're looking at the B-Tec Mak hot melt glue gun. This is an 18-volt glue gun which is manufactured by a company called B-Tec, who make a range of hot glue guns. It has a battery adapter which allows it to take the 18-volt Makita range. This battery adapter here allows it to go from a Ryobi, which it's set at, to the Makita, which I'm using, and that's how it comes when you purchase it. You can also remove the screws and use it with a Ryobi battery if you wish to. This gun is made for the building industry and can take construction grade 12mm glue sticks, such as the glue sticks manufactured by a company called Tech Bond, and there are other ranges of glue sticks available on Amazon, and these are stronger than your everyday craft glue. Currently I have the craft glue in here for very lightweight applications. The construction grade glues which you can buy for this are much higher strength, and they will have a specification on there that will tell you exactly how much weight they can hold, and they bond a range of different materials. They're not your average craft glue. This is currently retailing on Amazon for around £60, which, considering that you can change the batteries from Ryobi to Makita, is pretty decent. I certainly don't think this is a tool for the DIYer. This is for construction use, building, for carpenters, electricians, certain people who are going to need a high grade hot glue, rather than using a grab. In situations where you wouldn't use a grab adhesive, you might look to use this hot glue, and obviously being that it's cordless and 18-volt, it already fits in with the battery system that most people have. I believe they also do guns for different manufacturers. There is adapters that will fit into this gun. Once you unscrew it, you can buy the battery adapters off of Amazon. They range from £15 to £20 in the UK. This gun can be purchased on Amazon or from a range of other sites. I've been using this for about 6 months for lightweight applications. However, with the construction grade adhesives that you can buy with it, I think you can use it for heavier grade materials and a range of different materials, including glass, plastic, metals, woods. So to use the gun, you turn on the button at the bottom here, and you need to give it around about 3 minutes to heat up. Okay, so it's been about 1.5 minutes and already the glue gun is starting to drip, so it's pretty much warm enough. And the same as any standard glue gun, mains power glue gun or otherwise, it works exactly the same. And it's got a nice strong trigger that allows you to produce a decent bead of glue. Now, the strength of the bond of the glue is dependent on the stick that you're using. As I said, this is just a basic craft glue that I'm using at the moment, so it's actually not very strong. It's good for bonding plastics or materials similar to that. However, the manufacturers recommend that you use an industrial grade glue, which, if you're a builder or an electrician or someone else who needs this or a carpenter, you're going to want to use the industrial grade stuff. Using a craft glue is not going to get the job done. Thank you for watching today's video. If you have any further questions about this tool or any other tools, please leave a comment down below. If this video has been of some help to you, please give it a like and remember to subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.